Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to enable clear mood on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, you don't have to go anywhere. You can enable clear mood of TikTok here. And what are the benefits of clear mood? The benefit of enabling clear mood is you won't see any icon. All the icons will disappear from here. And you can watch the video clearly, so let's enable it. And how can you? Simply tap and hold on your mobile screen. After tapping and holding, this pop-up will show. And in this pop-up, you can see the option clear display. Just tap on it. Now the clear mode has been enabled and you can see the icons are gone. Now you can watch the video without icons. And if I want to turn it off, then you will see the icon on the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now the clear mode has been turned off and you can see all the icons. So it was the way by which you can enable clear mode on TikTok.